Describe Covington's Nursery for someone who's never been here. Describe it.
It's a big place with a lot of trees and shrubs.
Covington's Nursery is a great family-owned business where you'll find 18 acres of wonderful plants, flowers, trees, shrubs, and some of the best people you'll ever meet.
So my job at Covington's Nursery is to help the customers first and foremost. And then we also have trucks that come in that we unload, and we get new beautiful plants in daily that I get so excited about because they are so fun to learn about and to also make beautiful color bowl creations with. When I started here, I had never made color bowls. I had never put anything together. I'd done the basic planting in my yard, but I did not realize how much I would enjoy making the color bowls. It just kind of came naturally, and now I just do them all the time.
My pastime, hobby, passion from the time I was a little girl is gardening. Playing with flowers, doing flower arrangements, pulling weeds. I'd rather do any day rather than dust. Any excuse to work in my yard and not in the house is superb. So now I get to do it for a living. I mean, does it get better than that? We get to know our customers so well that we know their parents, we know their children, we know their dogs, often we know their birthdays, we know who's playing baseball on a Saturday and stops by after a game. We know them very, very well. We develop rapport. Customer service is our first and foremost important part of the job. It doesn't feel like a job because we are just playing with things that we love to play with, all the beautiful plants, and assisting our customers with their selection and hoping that we're helping them make wise decisions and that they'll have success in their own gardens, which is what we all love.
I really just love how everybody can get together and we can joke and have a good time. We just have a lot of laughs and joke around with each other. Every day is not going to be the same. I like that each day you can do something different if you want to. You can go help out with flowers, you can go help out with trees and shrubs, you can hang out in the checkout building and learn about more chemicals. There's just always something more to learn and always something new to do.
Working at Covington's is very special to me. I've had several different careers in my life, but Covington's is unique and my favorite of all the places I've ever worked. The family atmosphere, the fact that I'm able to be completely creative without corporate stuff telling me what I'm supposed to do and where I'm supposed to put what, really makes it different from anywhere else I've ever worked.
When I first started at Covington's back in 2005, I started as a loader. And at that time, all I was worried about was money for the summer. I couldn't tell you the difference between a begonia or a spirea. Eventually, with the help from everyone here, I started picking up all the different trees and shrubs. Then I moved into sales. After that, wholesale sales, and now I'm the wholesale manager and our buyer.
Here at the nursery, every day is different. One day, you could be helping a customer pick out a tree for their front yard just for shade. Other days, you're helping customers design an entire bed for the front of their home. I get to tap into my creative side and have the freedom to experiment in all the different display beds. We change out the color for every season to use the most beautiful trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals. I love the people that I work with. We are a big team and we're just a big family.
Everyone here is one big happy family. We're all very close.
We love each other, we fight with each other, we laugh with each other, but we all love each other at the end of the day.
I think the thing that makes an employee stand out the most at Covington's Nursery is the ones that enjoy their job. This is such a fun place to work, and if you're not having fun, it comes off, and customers can tell, and your coworkers can tell. So to be successful down here at the nursery, you really have to have a good time. So it is a lot of work. There's a lot of physical work at the nursery, but it's fun work, and you get to do different things every day. So as long as you have a great upbeat personality and love people, you'd be a good fit at Covington's Nursery.
It's a beautiful place to work. It's a fun place to work. And you can also have a career here because we have many employees that have been here for 20 to 30 years. And so that bodes well, speaks volumes about Covington's Nursery.
And you know what? Even if you don't know anything about plants, we just want the willingness to learn and to experience everything here so that when you tell our customers something, it's the right thing that we can depend on you to do.
Right, there's many different talents here at Covington's. Different people fit in different slots, so to speak. Some people are designers, some people counsel customers. There's many different ways to enjoy what we do. And we are a family, and we've been at it a long time. And I think that you'd find that we'd be a special place for you to be employed.